Hello and welcome back to our long-hard Jian series. Today we have the final episode and I hope you enjoyed all the previous movements with me and you know all the training routines that you should do to improve on your form. Today we go through a final sequence, an attacking pattern, and also a movement where we go through the shoulder, and then we have an ending pattern where we throw the sword once in the air. So I hope you're interested and let's finish the form. Alright, so last time we finished here, right? 1, 2. Now watch closely what is the next movement. We step with the right and make sure that the tip goes in circular movement. As you see here, we are changing the grip like this. And the tip goes in circular movement to you, to the center, as you see here. The sword hand is resting on the right hand. Now we step left and you see here the tip of the sword looks horizontally forward into the direction we're going, and the sword hand is still supporting the movement, right? The sword hand should be able to push here. And now watch carefully what we do next. We step to the right, go in like this, and we have a gombo position like this. Look at the point of the sword. Now we go in with the tip of the sword through the shoulder and turn the shoulder once and make sure the sword keeps horizontally. Now we are in gombo position. So let me show you this movement from the other side so you can practice it more easy. We are here in 1, 2 position, the shoulder is relaxed. We step in with the right, make sure you change the grip, go in with the tip, step to the left, the sword looks forward. This is a typical dragon position. We are very offensive, yes? And now we are stepping with the right again. The sword hip goes in again in circular motion, and we are doing that with the hip, as you see here, not with the arm. Now we go gombo, and the sword is piercing in a horizontal direction in my gombo position like this. We have a lot of movements in the 𝐮𝐸 like this. And now the tip, watch what the tip is going. I'm using my hip, and the tip goes directly into the shoulder. And now I'm stretching the arm through the shoulder and turn the sword once. And I change my gombo position to the other side. So it should look like the dragon going to the other side, right? Alright, so let me show you what is the next movement. We are in gombo position, right? Like this. And now we're stepping in a, like from mabo to gombo on the other side, and we try to be very low. You see here. We swing the sword once, it's like water. Go over and change gombo once again to the other side. Watch it once again. Swing and make sure the arm is very soft, but the sword waves through horizontally while we are changing the position. Once again, watch closely. Gombo, mabo, gombo. Go slightly lower in pubo. Come forward, gombo, and we are here. Actually, the lower the position is, the more beautiful it is, right? And when we're here, now we change into 𝐮𝐸𝐵, while the sword hand is going alongside the blade, and we turn the sword 90 degrees. Watch here. Understand? So once again, watch it in fluid motion. And now you're looking to the left, like this. And make sure the sword tip also looks in the same direction. You're going through and step 90 degrees. 𝐮𝐸𝐵 position, look to the side. Now after this, we're jumping slightly, see here. And we go in 𝐶𝐸𝐵. Like this. So let me show you the movement from the other side. Watch it carefully. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? Then we follow with the movement again. The tip goes circular motion, we only step half high up. Step to the right, right, step through, left, step through, 𝐶𝐸𝐵, and sit down again. So now let me show you the ending. See here. You're resting in 𝐶𝐸𝐵 look straight up to the sword, and then you throw it with the right and catch it with the left. See here. 1 step right, sword looking to the left, like this. The right hand is on the hip, and now we're going like this. 1, like Schwenk on Schwen, serious. As you see here, we have the tip of the toe and the leg straight, and we're looking forward. Now the sword is relaxed on the left hand, and now we step in. The sword hand goes to the chest. Breathe in, breathe out. And step close with the left leg. This is where we finished now the long Hua Jian form. Let me show you the whole section closely and make sure you practice the transitions fluently. 1, 2, cut. Now we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, pubu, 4, 5. Look to the left and we jump. 1, 2, 3. Finish it. Congratulations finishing the long Hua Jian together with me. I hope you enjoyed the series as I did, and now you should try to focus on the transitions, make them fluid, work on your positions, and also don't forget the basic movements like the 1-2 cut and the pierce. These are basic movements that we need for all other sword forms afterwards. So thank you for watching and see you soon for more episodes. Goodbye.